The display of this smartphone is 6.6-inch PLSA LCD. The refresh rate of the display of this smartphone is 19 Hz. The screen-to-body ratio of the display of this smartphone is 80.2%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of this smartphone 1080 by 2408 pixel. PPI density 400. The operating system of this smartphone is Android 13 One UI Core 5. The chipset are available of different type according to the different model. The CPU is also available of different type according to the different model. And the GPU is also available of different type according to the different model. Now I am telling about the card slot, micro SD dedicated slot. The internal memory are available of different type and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the main camera of this smartphone are triple camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The selfie camera is a single camera of this smartphone. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of this smartphone loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is also available of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.28 DPLA. NFC is available but the FM radio are unspecified of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The battery of this smartphone 5000 nanomole battery, 15W wide of this smartphone. The SIM of this smartphone nano SIM. The 5G technology are available of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the line data of this smartphone was announced for January 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.